Yenza lokho ufuna kwenziwe kuwe. Yenza lokho ufuna kwenziwe kuwe.
Lord, forgive me for my sins. 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 I'm just tryna get rich. Tana zusugu ne me. Manjan said no good thing. I know my mom is part of me. I know my dad is part of me. I wanna come beat a mission. After that, I wanna go to the kitchen and get some information about the production and take it back to the pitch like shocking and call it that shit. You can tell me how you feel. You can tell me how you feel. Yeah. When I'm 18, I'm a young kid from these streets. I got a lot of dreams, they are very big for a young kid just like me from Ulundi. Do what you want to be done to you. Henza logo funa kwenzi begu.
Yenza, yenza. Yenza, yenza.